Pull up on the double, these boys want trouble. They call me Flintstone and my homies born rebel. Rebel, devil, chase them through the ghetto. Break these motherfuckers off with just one devil. Metal bracelets facing worse incarceration. Aim for the dome, gotta keep my concentration. Since elementary, it was destined for me to see the penitentiary. Late Friday, or was it early Saturday? I hit him with the shotty that I bought from Academy. Duck for cover, get marked, motherfucker. Didn't mama say not to play with niggas from the gutter? I smell undercovers, I die with my brothers, and when I'm on the mic I represent all colors. Last summer I escaped from an asylum. You know the 3 digits, bitch, you better dial. No matter where you at, do you represent your city? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Do you take fools out like the homie Frank Nitty? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Did your crib get raided by this little piggy? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Have you ever whooped a nigga till he really looks silly? Wiggy, 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 wiggy.
I suck the blood like mosquito, facing Judge Ito. Joint in my mouth, looking big as a burrito. Turning 10 into 20, 20 into 40, 40 into 80. Everything is gravy once you play me in your decker. Microphone checker, quick to grab a chicken head, hutch by the neck, a double decker. O's on my woody woodpecker. Niggas call me crying, say that I'm a home wrecker. Beretta underneath my Raider sweater. Fuck a fine loca by the name of Weather. Stacking more cheddar, the Speedy Gonzales. Smoother than the head of Mr. Telly Savalas. Tú sabes, haciendo jales, moving llaves. Order 2 tacos with the beans and no pales. Don't blame us, just because I'm famous and got my middle finger up your baby mama anus. Yeah.
Do you raise Ben Davis or do you sack Dickies? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Does your bitch got your name tattooed on a titty? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Do you bump Tupac or do you bump Biggie? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Do you sleep with your wife or with a 9 milli? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. I got sacks for sale in the land of hell. My enemies don't even get a chance to yell. In the Black Chevelle with my man Miguel. Little pigs wanna put my fucking ass in jail. Stack my mail where the bastards dwell. Puffin' on Jane cause that's my gal. Never brag or tell, but I blast them well. I shoot more shots than Sam Cassell will. Pick the chosen and form an alliance. Move in silence and gather loyal clients. Corporate giants with street science. Cooking dope on a kitchen appliance. Don't try it if you can't keep quiet. I put 17 bullets in your diet. Lying in a puddle cause you hoes wanna rumble. SPM like Tarzan, king of the jungle. You got 5 screens in your 86 Ribby. Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Do you flip Snow White quick, fast in a jiffy? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. When you buy new titties, do you spend 150? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Do you smoke Swisher Sweets or do you smoke Philly? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Have you ever bought a TV from Dope Fiend Willie? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Do you sip cognac or do you sip Remy? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Have you ever slapped a bitch for giving you a big hickey? Wiggy, 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 wiggy. Do you get shit crunk or